and try, and try, try, and try, and try, and try, and try.
Hey guys, Shishi here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a swatch party of the Ellarie Colourpop collaboration. So if you're wanting to see what these colors look like, you already know, keep it locked. You already know the drill. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not, hit that red button. If you are, definitely hit that bell. Make sure you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, now Ellarie. Let's talk about Ellarie, okay? Ellarie is absolutely fantastic. I've been watching her and she's just a bomb-ass person. She was probably one of the first people I can remember collabing with Colourpop. Like Colourpop was just doing, you know, the Super Shock shadows. She had her Lippie stick and her Lippie pencil, which are still available, and yeah, it's just like, this is her second go round, you know. Colourpop has really stepped up their game and has become a huge juggernaut in the makeup community. In this 6-piece collection, there are 2 glosses, 1 satin, and 3 matte lippies. Now you guys already know that I am a sucker, complete sucker for a lippie. I also have her first launch. Now her first launch, I don't know what in perpetuity clause she had in her contract, but the original Lippie stick and Lippie pencil are pretty much staples in the Colourpop family. Girl, collect your coin, collect your coin. She did it NBA style. I really don't know her contract. I don't know her life like that, but I've never seen it discontinued. We'll put it like that. I got all of the shades, even though some of the colors are really out of my comfort zone. So yeah, let's just get the swatching because that's what we're here for, right? Alright, so this is what the outside packaging looks like. It's like almost like a black lace with a red lettering. It is so cute. In her box, she has this heart, similar to the one that she wears in all of her videos. Oddly enough, this is kind of matching my tattoos. It's the same kind of heart, so look at us, you know, connecting. Starting off with Steelo. This is a ultra glossy lip, and this is described as a sheer warm peach with pink and silver glitters. You don't feel the glitter, which is a fantastic thing. Definitely see the pinks and silver reflect glitters in here. If I were a gloss girl, this I would like. I think this will be cute as a topper. I think this was meant as a topper. Was this named after 702 Steelo song? Next color we have is Netta, and this is an ultra glossy lip, and this is described as a cream mid-tone pinky beige. I'm glad I got the bundle, because I really was not gonna purchase this color and I would have been pissed. It's a really nice mauve-y color, and I do like mauve, okay? I would have missed out on this if I didn't get the bundle. This is something I would keep in my purse. No makeup, it doesn't matter. I would wear this. I would totally wear this, like, wow. Okay, Ellarie, you caught me. You caught me. You caught me. Up next, we have the shade Renmen, and this is described as a true blue red. Definitely red, definitely blue based. Thank you, Ellarie. The name of this shade is supposed to be Creole for love, and I definitely Renmen this color. Hopefully it's not clashing too much. Well, it is clashing with my eye makeup, but baby, this is good. And it's in my favorite formula, which is the satin. I know she's normally a matte type of girl, as am I, but honey, satins are the business in Colourpop, okay? Like, you already know I love me a good red. And she got a good majority of the colors I fucks with. While we're here, I'm just gonna take the Ellarie pencil and just see how it goes. Ellarie, can we talk? Can we talk? I know it's not all the way blended, but causing trouble out here in these streets, hunty. I think I'm gonna do this for all of them. I'm gonna line it just for y'all. I'm gonna give y'all all of these. Oh, now before we get into the remaining 3 matte shades, I'm just gonna go ahead and use her first collaboration, which was a Lippie stick and a Lippie pencil. Now this is her Lippie stick, and it is basically a matte dark cranberry. So here is the Lippie stick all on its own. Beautiful color. Like she gets me because these are my colors. This is with her lip liner, and yeah, like I have nothing bad to say. There's a reason why this is always in Colourpop's arsenal, because it's just dope. Period, point blank. I feel like my lighting changed a little bit, so if it did, I apologize. Heading into the final 3 shades of this collection, we're gonna kick it off with the one I am the most unsure about, and that is Yoshi. It's basically described as a vivid magenta. Ooh, she is vivid, all right. She is vivid. If you don't know, Yoshi is her daughter. She's so freaking adorable. If Yoshi was a color, it would be this. Very vivid and bright. It just, gosh, God bless her. Strangely enough, I kind of like it. Would have never picked this. It's like purpley, but slight pink, and I don't like pink, but I fucks with purple. Still gonna go in with her lip liner and see how we can transform this. This is a bomb ass ombre lip. Like, this is dope as hell. Like, wow. Like, I get graffiti vibes with this combo. I probably wouldn't wear this in my day-to-day life, but like if I had a photo shoot or something, maybe I would wear it out. Like, who cares? Like, it's something about this color combo. It's like, this is dope. Up next we have Sessy, and this is described as a deep wine red. Ellarie, we're gonna have to talk. We're gonna have to talk, because you're just not gonna interrupt my whole entire existence with these colors. First of all, it's Sessy. It's sexy. Sassy. Oh my gosh. It is a cross between sassy and sexy, this color. If I gotta go hard on a bitch, I'm gonna make it look sassy. Girl. I have lipstick on my teeth. Hey, I didn't swatch it a lot, so you already know. Of course, I'm gonna add the Ellarie lip liner. Girl. Oh, yes. This Ellarie pencil is giving me all types of life that I didn't know I needed to live. Take it in. How's the weather over there? It's good? Yeah. Ellarie, I can't with you. I can't with you, yo. I cannot get in my life, my death. Just, I'm just flowing into existence. You the one. You the one, girl. You brought this. You're bringing it. Like, I don't even want to take this off right now. We're at the end, and this final shade is an ode to her favorite adult beverage. This is Hennyways. This is described as a cool tone chocolate brown. I can't, like, you just releasing all these bomb ass colors, and I feel disrespected in the worst way. Her drink of choice is Henny. I'm a Belvedere vodka kind of girl, you know what I'm saying? Or the champs. But you won me over with this dark brown. I love a good dark brown, like My favorite from Colourpop is Limbo, and this is just super dark, like think 90s supermodel, more specifically Naomi. Yo, this color, Ellarie, girl, you know my heart, you know my style. Like, we're best friends now because you did this. We're gonna throw on that Lippie liner. I gotta sharpen it soon. If you didn't know, these do sharpen, so don't just throw it away because the tip is dull. Just sharpen it up like a regular sharpener. Okay. This is it with the Ellarie liner. I'm not sure if you can tell much of a difference on camera, but in person, it kind of transforms into this dark purple, brown, a brownish purple. Yes. And I kind of dig it. I do. I dig it. Overall thoughts on the collection. You already know my two standouts will probably be Sessy and Hennyways. Absolutely, for me, these are a must-have. Now, the two that actually caught me by surprise, Netta and Yoshi. Neither one of these colors I was gonna pick up, to be honest. But I wanted to support Ellarie, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get the whole collection. And I'm totally surprised by these two. Get her pencil, absolutely. You saw how I transformed a lot of these colors. So yeah, this pencil is life. I'm really happy that I have the entire set. Ellarie, fantastic job. Keep doing it, girl, keep doing it. I love Lippies, but let me know if you get a palette or something, because I'm gonna have to support that. That was the entire collection swatched on my lips. Girl, I'm tired, girl. But Ellarie, if you ever watch this, you did a fantastic job. We're friends now. We're friends, because if I had a collection, definitely most of these colors would be in it. I'm done throwing in the towel. If you want to see me in between videos and see how I, rock these lippies, head over to my Instagram, and yeah, you can check me out there, see what I'm doing, and all that good stuff. Or you can look me up on Snapchat, because I'm still on there. Everyone pretty much left, but I'm still on there. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Until the next video, stay comfy, guys.